In this module, we'll begin our discussions about AC circuits. We'll start by discussing what are sinusoids. So sinusoids are types of waveform that can be expressed in terms of trigonometric sine or cosine functions. AC sources are sinusoids in nature. Hence, to analyze them effectively, we need to know the characteristics of sinusoids. So these are the learning objectives for this module. So first, we're going to define what we mean by sinusoids. We will show how a sinusoid looks like, what is the characteristic of a sinusoid. Then we'll have some short review on basic trigonometric manipulations like converting a sine expression into a cosine expression and vice versa. We'll also tackle terms like lagging and leading, which is a way of comparing sinusoids that have similar frequencies. We'll also tackle an important uh, property of a sinusoid, which is its effective value, which is normally the value that is used uh, when dealing with sinusoids. These will be our references for this course. So we have one from Hyatt and Kemerly, Engineering Circuit Analysis. I think we have one uh, or we have a copy of this from the library. And we also have a facility called the McGraw-Hill Connect. So this is a very helpful facility. It does not only provide an e-copy of the book, it has also a facility called a Smart Book where it helps you in your learning process. So I'm just finalizing the access to this facility. So once we have the credentials prepared, I will be informing you. Uh, I'll be sending the credentials, and once you have those credentials, we'll be able to use this facility. We also have a book from Alexander Sadico, also a very useful book called Fundamentals of Electric Circuits. Uh, I will be sending an e-copy of this book in our online platform, but this is actually available also on the internet. So that's it for the introduction, and on our next video, we'll talk about the characteristics of sinusoids.